natural treatment.
Okay, and this is one of the things that you learned over there. For example, let me ask you, what can garlic do? What special properties?
Garlic is a powerful antibiotic, and the same thing with onions.
Okay.
Oh, not bad.
Interesting.
Are you
It's sour.
Are you telling the truth?
Again, once again, hello, Mother dear here. We have another segment here. You know, I was just admiring the beautiful flowers earlier this morning, and then when I look outside, it was terrible. Okay? What we have right now is actually a snowstorm here in Montreal. And I went out there. This is deep. Oh, shit. So we thought, why not make nature's flu shot? We need it now more than ever, right? I mean, with COVID happening and everything, it's winter time, you get colds, you get flu, you know, whether you're vaccinated or not, that's, individuals' choices. It doesn't really matter. The key is prevention. Don't we all agree about that? Right? We already know about social distancing. We already know about wearing masks, washing your hands. And what is a natural flu shot, Mommy dear?
It is a mixture of what we call kitchen cures. The stuff that we use in the kitchen, and we can make use of it as a treatment, and it has beneficial effects.
For example, kitchen stuff, okay? What's normally in your kitchen counter?
Garlic,
Garlic,
ginger,
ginger,
lemon.
lemon. What is this?
That is the lemon peel.
You use that too?
Yeah.
And what is this? Pineapple?
Pineapple chunk.
Honey?
Honey, yeah.
What if we put together antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, vitamin C, and all that all in one? Tell more about it, because I know you attended
The health center.
and that's where you found out about this ingredient?
It's all about natural treatment.
Okay, and this is one of the things that you learned over there. For example, let me ask you, what can garlic do? What special properties?
Garlic is a powerful antibiotic, and the same thing with onions. It's also anti-inflammatory, expectorant.
And ginger?
Ginger is good for indigestion, for nausea, for migraine. It is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral. It is also an analgesic, respiratory problem, and headache.
What about this? Orange peel?
When we put this lemon juice, we can add the peel.
This thing is not only good for flu or colds, it's
No.
also good for other things.
Yeah.
Okay, and obviously pineapple.
Also for
Okay.
digestion and boost
And
immune
honey?
system. Honey is just a sweetener, but it has also some benefits.
Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne is decongestant.
Soy sauce?
No, there's no soy
There's
sauce.
no soy sauce? Because all of this for adobo, right? Vinegar, no?
No vinegar.
No. Okay. So what do we do? We'll then prepare the garlic,
Chop ginger.
chop ginger, this one too, it's
lemon
been
peel,
prepared.
Slice lemon peel.
Okay. Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Pineapple chunk.
So how many lemons did we use for that one?
6 small
Lemon and one whole pineapple.
1 whole pineapple.
How many garlic?
2 whole garlic.
Okay.
Whole bulbs.
Whole balls. And ginger, how many?
Ginger is half a cup.
Half a cup.
Chop.
And So one at a time.
Yeah. Next is a lemon peel.
Very strong.
Garlic.
Yeah. So it's fast to make.
Yeah.
As you can see, look how much we're making. So you could make this ahead of time, and this is probably gonna last you what? 1 week, 2 weeks?
At least 2 weeks.
2 weeks, see? And the cost is how much? How much is a pineapple right now? Whole pineapple?
$2.
$2. And then lemon, 6 lemon.
It's
Cayenne pepper.
half teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
Honey.
We
Honey.
need to add honey as a sweetener. Okay, let's try now. Good.
It looks exactly like custard. And it tastes like custard. Custard.
So there's
Put more honey.
as long as you want.
More honey.
No. Too much sweet is not good.
But why? It's honey.
Even though it has.
Man, I'm panicky.
There is a
Does
limit.
this make you panic?
There is a limit on sweetener.
So sour. Much better. Okay, to be honest, the taste is quite strong. I mean, imagine ginger, garlic, cayenne pepper, lemon juice. I mean, it's gonna be strong, and secret ingredient makes it more acceptable. But it's good. I mean, if it's gonna my immune system stronger,
Sacrifice.
Right?
You have to sacrifice.
you have to start. How much do you take at one time?
You start with 2 tablespoons.
Oh, okay. So it could
Okay.
actually be hurtful for the stomach. Right? It's all acidic. Is that?
Yeah,
Is that?
because it's acidic.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
It's
Even on
so-
empty stomach, you could take this.
It's better if it's not empty.
There you have it. Okay. See you next time. Okay. Here we are again. The ultimate taste test. Custard.
Custard.
Yeah. Custard feeling.
Oh, let me change with you. I'll take this one.
What? You don't trust me?
No.
It's custard. It's sweet and good. It's creamy. You put this in like a donut or something.
Oh,
Look, look, look. Mm.
no, not bad.
Interesting. It's sour.
Are you telling the truth?
Is it? Have some more. Have some more. Actually, have mine. I already have mine. Good luck. Bye. See you later.
Okay, try again.
It tastes like it always does. It's good for you, but it tastes terrible.
Yeah?
Cayenne, I tell you, it's kind of
Yeah, there's cayenne in it.
burns a little bit. And
It's hot, huh?
yeah,
Spicy.
Yeah, spicy. It makes your eyes water a little bit if you're not careful.
But, you know,
But it opens up your nose.
yeah, little
It
sacrifice.
has soothing effect.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm just being funny, but or ridiculous, but it's really good.
It's good for you.
Yeah.
It may not taste too good, but then
It's gingery, lemony, spicy. That's it.
Yeah.
And yeah,
But it's better than being sick. A lot better than being sick.
yeah, I agree. Especially now, snowstorm, huh? Middle of winter. By the way, you were there too in the health clinic, right? Health
Yeah.
Ito about.
health retreat.
Wow.
And that's where my mom discovered that thing.
Yeah.
Did you try it there then?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? That's why you have your good skin and good looks?
Yeah. That's
So
why
you mean there's a hope for me?
Yeah.
1 gallon? 1 gallon?
There you go.
Finish!
Very good job.
So you can take it anytime you want.
But thank
It's
you.
prevention. See, you don't have colds, you don't have gout.
I know. It's preventive and it's also good.
So, there you have it once again.
So who came up with this? My lovely wife
Yeah, your handsome son.
and my handsome son.
Are you my biological father?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew. I told you I'm half white. Bye. See you next time.
What's for you?